Alright, comment of the week. Thank you, RSC Nails. I appreciate this so much. Okay guys, so today we're starting off with this Gershion Builder Gel in a tube. And as you guys see, it comes with an instruction manual. It also comes with this really cute card, which is like a thank you card. You get nail forms. You also get a gel brush. And then you get one of those little duster brushes. I'm not really sure why that's in there, but I'll take it. And then you get a 100 and 180 grit file, as well as a base coat and top coat. Now you guys, these colors were so pretty, and you guys also, this kit right now is $14.99, but it has a $4 coupon, so it makes it only $9.99. So definitely, if you guys are seeing this video, go check out the link below and buy this kit, because honestly it's amazing and it's so cheap. Like, it's actually cheaper than a tube of builder gel for all of these. And as you guys can see, here are the colors. It has some pinks, some oranges, a nudie pink color. And guys, I went ahead and did my thumb off camera. And look at the base coat brush. I don't know what happened to it. This is just how it was when I opened it. So I will just be using this Macart base coat gel just because it was on my table. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a thin layer on my nails. Do not come for me, guys. I know I should have went ahead and cleaned off my nails. I don't know why I didn't. But anyway, we're taking our regular dual forms, and these ones are more of the straight ones, not the curved ones. And as you guys will see, I am pretty much just making sure that it is thick enough to cure. And what I mean by that is that not too thick to where it's gloopy, or it's overly gloopy, or it like spills out, but just thick enough to where like you really can't see through the gel, if that makes sense. And I really liked these tubes. I feel like using regular like builder gel, this probably wouldn't be as easy of a process, but because it wasn't a tube, it was like mess free, so I was just easily able to just put it on my nail. And yeah, that's how it looked at first, and I think it turned out really cute. I did go ahead and file down the surface, because you guys know the best way to get your dual form nails to be strong is to put them, once you pop them out the dual form, file them and put on just another layer of the gel just to make sure that they last long. And as you guys can see, this was super easy to do. I loved this tip applicator. I highly recommend you guys try this kit. Like, this tip applicator made the process so easy. It made it so easy to build up the nails, and I loved this kit. Okay, and I just went ahead and kept doing the same thing on each nail. You guys, forgive me. I've been having such a rough week this week. I'm glad the holidays are over. I actually did have a really nice Christmas. The baby had such a good Christmas. We got her so much fun stuff. So yeah, this week has just been a long week for me, and I'm glad I can finally sit down and, you know, do this video. And yeah, look, so once you go ahead and press it on your nails, it is kind of hard to keep it on there. So I do use these these dual form clips. And these are kind of hard to use a little bit with this method, just because it's not as thick as polygel, so that your nails do want to slide around on you. So just be careful that you are making sure you place it exactly where it needs to go. And you can buy those little clips on Amazon. I've seen them on there. My sister actually gave me a couple of them, so that's what I've been using. Okay guys, and even though this comes with a brush, I did not use the brush in the application at all. I pretty much just used the brush to clean up any spillage. And I love this product because it wasn't really runny. It kind of stayed where you put it, which I really enjoyed. And here are the nails after filing. And I went ahead and squeezed some of the gel onto this little bowl, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some top coat and just kind of mix that to thin out the product because we're doing sweater nails. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and put a layer of gel matte top coat, and you could honestly use any brand of gel like matte top coat. This is just the Babe Nail one. We'll go ahead and link that down below because I really do enjoy this one. Okay, so once that's cured, I am going to go ahead and take a pretty much like a striping brush, and I'm not getting too much product, but as you guys will see, I do these little dash lines, as you guys will see. Sorry, it's hard because it's the same exact color of the gel. You could also use like white or a different color, but I wanted to kind of make it like a 3D color, so yeah. And once I go back over those, I just make sure that my lines are thick enough. And then what I'm going to do is I am just going to go ahead and grab a little bit more product and do a diagonal line. And I found this was the easiest way to do sweater nails for me, and I really love how these turned out. And as you guys will see, I am just going to keep going over my lines to make sure that it's thick enough to where it actually does make the sweater effect. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this clear acrylic powder. This is just a Saviland clear acrylic. You can use any kind of acrylic or even glitter, but that would make it more of a sugar nail though. But yeah, so that's what you're gonna do. I highly recommend you pour it instead of dipping it because sometimes dipping it will smudge the gel. And then once you cure that for 60 seconds, you're able to just brush off the excess acrylic. And then I'm gonna go ahead and keep adding to my design. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a line on the side. But I would highly recommend you guys, if you are good at using these kind of liner brushes, definitely just freestyle a design. It's super easy. All you really have to do is just look at a sweater you have and just kind of try to like mimic a sweater design. And yeah, it's actually really cool. I love this like design. And I really love the color of this like builder gel. Like this pink color was so pretty, you guys, so pretty. And sorry if you guys can hear that, my washing machine is going off. But then I'm going to go ahead and take just a dotter tool and I'm going to add some dots right next to it. And I feel like this really made it all come together and make it really look like a sweater design. And I'm just going to repeat the same process with the acrylic. And I do it a couple times just to really make sure that it does absorb the acrylic. And then I have this really cute stamping plate that I had got from Amazon like a year ago. And I'm just going to take some stamping polish and stamp on some of these little snowflakes. You guys, I actually do have a nice clear nail stamper. It just was not picking up like today. I don't know what it was, so I just went ahead and used this little cheap one that I got from Walmart, and this worked out really well. You guys, I'm definitely not the best at stamping. I'm still learning, so sorry this wasn't really part of the tutorial. But I'm gonna go ahead, and I do like how they looked matte, so I am gonna apply another layer of matte top coat just to go ahead and seal in that stamping polish. And the one thing I like about the stamping polish is that it definitely dries super quick, so you're not waiting for anything. And yeah, guys, this is what they look like when they're done. I am gonna apply some cuticle oil because y'all can see my cuticles were looking crusty and dusty. These nails were looking so dry. Like my other hand, ugh, good lord, girl. Well, let's just say we were struggling. This was a struggle week for me, but don't worry, I'm gonna be posting another video very soon. So yes, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and hanging in there towards the end. I loved this kit. Definitely go ahead and get your hands on it while it is this cheap, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.